Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, I'll show you two simple ways to check your Mac for malware and identify anything suspicious that may be affecting your system. The first method uses tools that are already built into macOS. Open Activity Monitor by pressing Command and Space, typing Activity Monitor, and pressing Return. This utility lets you see everything currently running on your Mac. Look for processes that are using an unusually high amount of CPU, memory, or energy, especially if you don't recognize the name. If something looks suspicious, search the process name online to learn more about it. You can also check System Settings and open General, then Login Items to review apps that automatically launch when your Mac starts up. Removing unknown startup items can help prevent unwanted software from running in the background. You can also review your Applications folder and uninstall programs you don't remember installing. If you're enjoying this tutorial, consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. It helps support the channel and lets us create more helpful Mac tutorials. The second method is to use a dedicated antivirus tool. While macOS includes several built-in security features, some users prefer an extra layer of protection. There are several free antivirus options available for Mac, including Avast Free Antivirus, Malwarebytes Free, AVG Antivirus Free, and Bitdefender Virus Scanner. Each of these tools is designed to help detect malware, adware, potentially unwanted programs, and other security threats. Some focus on real-time protection, while others are better suited for on-demand scans when you want to manually check your Mac. Using one of these tools occasionally can provide additional peace of mind, especially if you frequently download files, install apps from outside the App Store, or share files across multiple devices. Those are two easy ways to check your Mac for malware. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.